What's happening, guys? Well, I am laying here on a sailboat holding on to this rope so that my cousin there, can you see him? So that he doesn't die. And I'm recording a video. This is really stupid. Yeah, that's about it. You know what? I'm gonna record for a minute just in case this goes bad. We've got a record of it. Here we go. Don't die. Yeah, so got this. It's technically tied around up there, but I don't know. I feel safer with it in my hand also. He's gonna be brazing a thing on there. I was gonna go up there and do it, but yeah, this ain't my boat. So yeah, we'll let him do that. That's the plan. Oh, and another fun fact. He's never done anything like this before. So.
Fun fact.
Yeah. If we'd have took it down and laid it down, I could have fixed it. But no, he doesn't want to take it down. He wants to climb up this thing. And the water's moving. Yeah. This might end badly. Whee!